So it's Wednesday morning. I just got done with work and I'm gonna hit the area and see what I can find. Let's see if that'll come out of there. All right, let's get that. I'll just cut that off right there. It is cold. 17 degrees out right now. I just heard it on the radio. 17 degrees. There's a slight wind, but not as bad as it has been. All right. We'll add that to the cord pile and get our butts down the road. Let's see if this is metal. Yeah, I see a cord on it. So, it's a lamp. If I can, oh, that's all steel. Sweet. So normally I find concrete in the bottom of these, but that's pretty cool. There we go. Wow. Now, yeah, I'm going to use the lights till I'm comfortable not using them anymore. Let's get the cutters. I wanted to be sure it was something before I took these out, but yeah, I'm just going to get it right here and call it good. Ouch. Wow, that hurt. Right on the, the heck with that. Let's see if I can get it loose like so. There we go. Yeah, don't drop that fatty, and it's part of it. I don't want the speaker. I want this. Oh, come on. Hey, come on. Wait a minute. There's a turntable in there too, I think. Come on. All right, let's get this in the back and then we'll come back. Right there. Yeah, it is very cold, folks. Very cold. Yeah, there's a turntable right here. There's other speakers too, but I don't really want the speakers. Let's see if that'll take the cords. Come on, off that leg. There we go. There's some more cords down there. Oh, it's cold. Forget it. One cord, two cords, three cords. Stuff can have it right back here. Come on. Yep, I'm not interested in turning it apart a little bit. Oh. Heck no. One and done. Getting away from that. Another lamp. It's just a chintzy one, but it's a lamp. Give me my cord. Thank you. see if I can. All right. First thing I'm gonna do, get this off of here. So I don't want that. Get up there. Yep, right up the street. Garbage man. Not that way. That's what I want. Oh, come on. That's gonna be good enough. Some metal hanging out right there. Indeed. Well, there we go. So it's not just gonna be the vacuum cleaner cord. There's a little bit of, I think that's aluminum. We'll see. Yeah, it's been pretty bad, folks. Yeah, this is steel. Yep. This. That's aluminum. And we'll get the cord off of this so I can close that up. Yeah, it's been really slow. Haven't found much of anything, so. But, I mean, it is 3 days prior to Christmas, so I didn't expect to find much out. But, doesn't mean I won't look. Oh, come on, really? Oh, great, okay. You, get around there, there you go. So I was watching Florida Scrapper's latest street scrap upload yesterday, and he was not, I don't think complaining, but talking about having to deal with flies. How funny is that? He's dealing with flies, and I'm up here freezing my tuchus off. Look at that. Some bed rails. Sweet. All right, we'll get these, and then we'll get them other pieces. Let's see. Is this all? Nope. All right. 2 trips it is. Whoops. 2 trips it is. Yeah, that was the gent. I told you a couple weeks back that, oops, just about hit my head. Yeah, get up there. Right, that stuff laying here. And I went up the street over there on the curb and found that other stuff. Well, here's the red trailer. And he said he was going to put some more stuff out eventually, so here it is. So we'll get it. That's nice. Yeah. Yeah, get the other caster. Yeah. Might have to bend them up a little bit to get them in, but that's okay. Well, at least 2 of them. Come on. Oh, it's frozen. Okay, you're not frozen, but you are. Let's see if I can. There we go. Yeah, these are some long pieces. A little bit of curb stuff. not much, but we'll put it in. A couple little pieces here. We'll take them. That might be, that's steel, but this stuff might be aluminum. Come on. Yep, aluminum. Except this stuff here, but I'm pretty sure the rest of that is aluminum. So, oh, not bad. Oh, here we go. Frying pans. Whoop. Here, watch it. That's pretty nice. And no doubt aluminum. What's this? One piece of metal there. And this. See if I can. There we go. Check down here. Yeah, there's it's all wood. There's some linoleum, lots of cardboard. All right, well, yeah, I could get those wires, but I'm just going with this, folks. Tire pressure gauge. I'll take the can. Well, no, I won't. I'll take the lug nut. And I'll take, what is this? HP. Oh, there's an IC chip right there. Look at that. Right here. Yeah, it's just a cheap one, but, well, huh. Money on the ground at any rate. Here, let's put it in the back. I do keep IC chips. Why, I don't know, but come on, you gotta come up. There you go. Yeah, gold fingers, look at that. I do keep these. I got no clue. I gotta wipe this down. To really wipe this down on, but I'd like to kind of see what kind it is. Oh, it's an AMDF one. Well, this is copper, folks. Looks like a fan. There you go. Oh, a hybrid one. Yeah, let's see if I can. Because this is metal, but this is not. Well, all right, the heck with it. Watch. As soon as I get to the van, it'll fall off and on the ground. Yep, we'll just take it as is. Whoops. So I found this little goodie bag right here in this tote, but believe it or not, that's all that's in there is that. Check the rest of it. So there's a couple of sockets, a bunch of screws and stuff. All right, well, it's a little something more. Look at that. alternator and a futon frame. Frame's going on top. We'll put this inside. Hey, very nice. Very nice. Whee. Now, hoping this isn't that heavy. That should keep it from flopping up around up there, and yeah, that's not going anywhere. Well, that was a nice find. I've been driving around for a little bit, haven't found much, so well, let's keep looking. Yep, scrapper's alarm off. All right, what do we got here? Well, geez, has really more plastic than I want to deal with, folks. Yeah, that's way too much plastic. They're behind that white fence. They can't see me, but they can hear me. What have we got here? Yep, sweet. I'll take that. Yeah, I don't want the other bags. Well, it is what it is, folks. It's multi-plastic. I'll take it. Let's, I think I should be able to get it in here. With a bit of a rearrange. It's not much, but I haven't found much today. So, big find was that copper. Oh. Yeah, should be able to get it like right here. Let's put that up there. Get you over there. Yeah, it's gonna be lightweight, but let's see. I think I should be able to. That's broken. Trying to do that. So I want the front end first. Yeah. There we go. Let's see if I can. This is the flat-end screwdriver. And that one, that's good enough. Well, 2 days worth in there, up here. I live right around the corner over here. I want to move that copper. So, but that's gonna do it, folks. Hope you had a good time. I did. I mean, yeah, not a lot of fines, but I get to listen to one of my favorite radio stations. Put this right here. Good copper, 2 weeks. Oh, that's another chunk of brass right there. So I'll have to take the grinder to that, cut that off, cut that end off down there. And there we go. Once again, I hope you had a good time. Merry Christmas to everybody. Merry Christmas. And we'll just ride down together over here. Well, it's been one great year. I mean, I picked up a lot of new subscribers. Thank you all so very much. I've been kind of slacking on the comments. I'm just worked a lot of overtime this year, folks. And it's wearing on me. But no excuses. I'll get my good gloves on. Oh, there was my granddaughter and my daughter right there. My wife's Ford. My love to all of you folks. I hope you had a good year. I hope you have a great Christmas. We'll be back together after the holiday. All right? Thank you for watching again. Everybody have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas and a day today.